HEDROS is a microbiome control platform servicing the aquaculture industry. We manufacture bacterial phages for specific needs, including pathogen control and microbiome control. A system that uses antibiotics, like let's say a shrimp farm, what tends to happen over time is that the pathogens that are normally targeted by those antibiotics become resistant to the antibiotics, so they don't work, they're not effective anymore. Downstream, people who purchase and eat the shrimp that still contains trace amounts of those antibiotics will also inherit that resistance. So if they go to the hospital and they need a broad spectrum antibiotic, it most likely won't work. Those lots, when they make it to their final destination and they get tested positive for antibiotics, are returned. That farm gets the blame. Now you're talking about the end markets, that retailer, they also get blamed. And at the end of the day, what it does is it impacts the industry as a whole, right? So now you're talking about brand equity, and that means that's going to be an opportunity for, let's say, a chicken producer or a pig producer or an alternative foods producer to take that space, that market share from a shrimp producer or a salmon producer. At HEDROS Bio, we can restore productivity and profitability at the farm with the power of bacterial phages. Bacterial phages are nature's oldest and most effective bacterial killers. They are specific, meaning that they will target only bacteria, not the shrimp or the humans that eat the shrimp. They are fast. We can control a bacterial outbreak in minutes, and they are natural and safe. Our solution is a smart platform that can create bacterial antimicrobials prototypes in 2 months and integrated solutions in 6 to 8 months. We first isolate and characterize the bacterial phages from actual shrimp environments, from farms. After collecting over 100 phages per environment, we are able to optimize them with the help of our proprietary AI system, the Phage Chooser. Once we've optimized to our customers' specifications, we then formulate in either liquid or in powder, and then that solution is applied to the farm. Our first product is an EMS phage cocktail produced from that platform. One single dose can reduce mortality by 90%, provide 7 days of protection to the farmer, which translates into profitable and sustainable growth. For us is the fact that we're going to be able to sustain local farming economies in Mexico, in Asia, in Ecuador. Right now, the volatility that's associated with prices changes, associated with diseases and all that, it puts a lot of people out of business. So for us to be able to generate a stable economy for these shrimp growers where they can predict how much they're actually going to get at the 90-day harvest time would be a tremendous support for the entire industry.